Gilcrease. We're at Gilcrease Bird Sanctuary. Yeah. Oh, look at the little goats. Oh, there's 4 of them, 5 of them. There's a little white one over there. What are those called? No, those are miniature. Are those babies? Oh, okay.
There's 2 more sets of goats. There's a round one and then there's a bag.
Oh, they're just babies. What do we got here? Oh, parakeet back there. He's just hanging on the wall back there. Hi. Oh, wait. He's loud. Hey guys. They're big birds.
Yeah, this one looks like it's swift. Somebody wants to be heard.
He's loud.
There's that one back there.
What?
You got that, yeah,
Huh? Hey, you. You're looking at me, huh? You're big, huh? Is he mean? Hello.
Yeah, those turkeys down there are mean. Mama.
Huh? Yeah, I know, I saw him. Those are weird looking, huh?
I feel water.
Yeah.
I had one similar to that.
Mm-hmm.
Earlier he was saying hello and talking.
Was he?
Yeah.
There you go. That was almost the color of the one I had.
Yeah.
Lovebirds.
Are those lovebirds?
Yeah.
yeah, they're making some racket. Yeah. That looks just like a place to cool off in there, huh? Oh yeah, there's goats. Sounds like a machine shop or something. Yeah. Hello. Oh, staff only.
You're allowed.
Oh, okay.
Just not by the fridges, but yeah.
At least you got a swamp cooler.
Yeah, it's helpful.
Oh, he's cool looking. Where'd Diddy go? Oh, there's Diddy. Hey! Diddy! Uh-oh, you're looking for food, huh? There's Diddy over there feeding the goats. Ah, they're looking for food, huh? You're looking for food, aren't you, huh? Aren't you? Yeah. Yeah, this guy, this one here?
Yeah,
Yeah,
this one right here. Look at the udders on it.
yeah,
And there's another one over there.
yeah. They follow you around looking for food.
Yeah. You like being pet, huh?
Did we see this guy over here? Whatever.
Not yet. Here, let's go here. Somebody's saying hold on.
Yeah, he's like, hold on.
Oh, those are cockatoos?
Yeah. Hold on.
The one behind us is saying hello now.
Say hello.
Oh, they're really
Trying
cute.
to get in.
There's a television show called Coletta.
Even though they pull their feathers out. When they don't get enough attention, they pull their feathers out.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I hear a turkey.
Yeah. Hello.
Oh, look at, he's got an orange thing on
Yeah.
him.
Some have orange, some have yellow.
Yeah,
And when it comes up like the...
yeah, yeah, like Beretta.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to look at these guys here. Huh? Hello? Huh? Oh. One of these guys were saying,
They're African Greys.
are they?
Yeah.
They're supposed to be the most vocal.
Yeah, but they can be the most nasty attitudes too. Say hello. That one Mary had. He would open the door, sound like the damn door was
Yeah,
opening.
yeah.
Change his tone of voice when Mary would answer the phone.
Meow. Oh yeah, little. That's what kind of bird I saw in the backyard one time. Little parakeet like that got loose.
Yeah.
Look at, they're all on the ground down there. Yeah. They got little misters for them. Yeah, African gray.
50 to 70 years lifespan.
50 to 70?
Yeah.
Oh, look, he's got his head up. You got your head up, huh? What? Got your head up? What's that mean? Hello. Got a peacock over here. Got a couple peacocks.
White peacock.
That's okay. Oh, we got some geese here. What we got here? Oh, I can't see. Oh. Well, I see a turkey. Can't really see in there. They're building a den there. So those guys are kind of big.
Oh yeah.
He's cooling off in the water. That guy's cooling off in the water. Oh.
More turtles.
More turtles?
Yeah, they're not out.
I saw that.
Look how big he is.
Oh yeah, you just see a little bit of him. Yeah, I saw you kind of like looked at him and backed up.
That's that den.
Yeah. Yeah, he's out, he's eating.
Yeah, that's how Marlene's yard was, but it was underneath.
Yeah. Let's see if he'll spit at you.
That one's pregnant.
Donkey?
Look how white she is.
Yeah. You guys spit, don't you?
Yeah, I'm getting close to you.
Hey, you.
Do not touch animals.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another one over there.
What, a llama?
There's a goat back here, a donkey.
Yeah, I see the goat. I see a lamb. There's a llama. Look at, they can go in the back there.
Yeah. Yeah, we want to see you take a dump.
Wonder what happened to his ears.
I don't know. They look like they've been burnt.
Mm-hmm.
But he's shedding.
Mm.
Oh, they got an electric fence up there. So
Oh, do they?
looks like something right there.
Yeah. Yeah, they don't want to go up there. They got shade here. No, there's a pig here. Hey, you.
There it is.
Getting lazy? Hmm?
Oh my.
Huh.
There's another one in the corner
Yeah.
with he's got, they look like those wild hogs.
Yeah. And there's a little white one around here. He's come over to greet you. Hi, you. Got his tail wagging. Oh yeah, I see the other guy over there in the corner there.
Look at the horns on the side of the mouth.
Yeah, yeah. I hear pigs make good pets. They say they're dirty, but they're not dirty, they say. I don't know. I don't know, there's another pig up that way. And you don't got no water? Oh yeah, you got water and stuff in there. There's something there. I don't see him though. Or it's a horse up back there. Huh? Oh, where's his sunglasses?
There's another one. There's your ostrich.
Yeah. Well, that guy's an emu here.
Yeah.
This guy's an ostrich.
Just imagine getting kicked. Got one of those?
He's big.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the feet on him, huh?
Yeah, that's what I said. You just imagine getting kicked by them.
Yeah.
He's hot.
They should have water in there for him. Yeah, they got water for them too. Yeah. Big tree, huh? Yeah.
They coming up.
Huh? Yeah.
Want one?
Nah. There's the ducks and stuff. There's the turkeys. I thought I heard you guys. Yeah. The female. There's the male. Look at they're coming down a line. They're all in a line. And there's a couple of turtles right down here.
Look at the little minnows.
Oh yeah.
A lot of little minnows.
Yeah. So this is bird sanctuary. Gonna go look at the deer now, because they have deer. The cockatoos.